आज ये लास्ट डेट सर, आज पेमेंट नहीं है तो सारे कॉन्टेक्ट को कांटेक्ट करूँगा। ऑलरेडी और आधार कार्ड पैन कार्ड ब्लैक लिस्ट है सर, सब पे करोगे सर।
I'm getting a call like these type of threatening messages from these loan app. They are calling me, blackmailing me that if you are not going to pay, we will call your contact list, we will message them, we will block your Aadhar card and PAN card, we will send legal notice to your address, and you have to pay the interest amount, penalty amount. We are going to hack your complete photo in your gallery. So many loan apps. I took a loan from small credit app. I have repaid them, but again and again they are asking me, sending me abusive words and threatening me by using my contact details and personal bank details. What can I do, sir, in that situation? Many people getting into the trap of these fake 7 days loan app, lighting rupee, cash clouds are there, Amla credit, extreme wallet, well credit, rocket, Indian credit. So in case you also getting into their trap and facing this type of issue, no need to worry, no need to pay them. We are there to help you and to give you a complete solution of this problem so that you can come out from them or their trap and you don't have to pay even a single rupee to them, because even if you pay them again and again they are going to blackmail you and going to extort you and going to harass and threatening you. So how you can handle them, what are the preventive steps you have to take, where you are supposed to raise a complaint so that there will be no defamation or negative impression in your contact list. Complete solution our lawyer is going to provide you. Just WhatsApp us on this number and get the complete solution.